Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to the second episode of Java programming tutorial. In this video, I'll be explaining about the first Java program, how to write and execute your first Java program, the HelloWorld. This is the first Java program. First of all, there's a class myJava. As you know, Java is a pure object-oriented programming language, and so everything in Java should be inside a class. So we specified the main class myJava. Inside the class myJava, there is the method public static void main. Each and every program must contain at least one function or method, that is the main function. But you can see there are something before the main method. What it is? The public static void main, and inside the main method here we specify an open and close parenthesis. Inside that we specify a string array. What it means actually, the public stands before the main function because in order to access the main method from anywhere in the program, we specify the public. So main function or main method has the maximum scope or maximum visibility. So in order to make the main function to be accessed from anywhere, we use the keyword public. Next is static. Why use static before the main function? In C or C++, we just write the main function as main or void main. But in Java, the main function should be written as public static void main. You can no longer change this syntax. We are speaking about the static. Before that, I'm taking a notepad and writing a class ABC. Inside this class ABC, I'm supposed to write a method display. Just a question for you: how to access this method? So this method is contained in the class ABC, so it is a member function. How can we access a member function or a method? The answer is very simple. First of all, we have to create the object of the class ABC. Then using the syntax object.method, we can access the method display. How it is possible? How can we create an object in, that means ABC OB. In C or C++, we can just create an object using this syntax, but Java does not allow this. So we use the syntax ABC OB is equal to new ABC. This is the syntax used to create an object in Java. Now OB becomes the object of the class ABC. Now what we can do is, using the object, we can call the method display, ob.display. You may be familiar with these kind of things, I think. Okay, this is the way to access this method. Now my question is, without the help of the method without the help of the object OB, can we access the method display? Yes or no? Without the help of an object, can we access a method? The answer is yes, we can access any method inside the class without the help of its object. How is, just specify the keyword static before the function or method. So static is written here. Now we can access the method display without the help of the object of the class ABC. Okay, now I think you got the point. Is why we use static here. Now you may be familiar with this concept. Why? The answer is, without the use of the object of the class myJava, we are going to access the main method. In order to make it possible, we specify the keyword static before the main method. I hope you understand why use static keyword before the main method. So the program execution begins at the entry point, the main method. Every program starts the execution from the main method, so there is no time or space to create the object. In order to make it possible, we use static here. Then my question is, why we use void before the main? in order to notate that main function is no longer returning any kind of values. In order to specify that, we use void. So main function is not able to return any value from inside the method. In Java, the member function is also called as method. So main is a method. And also inside the main method we specify something like string args. What it is? String args. String args and open and close bracket. If there is no open and close bracket, string args, the args is a variable of kind string. That means we can store a string in the variable args. This is the meaning. But there is an open and close bracket before args, which denotes args is an array of string. So we can store a number of strings in this variable. India, Kerala, Mavelikara, etc. Now we can store a number of strings in the variable args because args is an array of strings. Why we specify args, string args inside this main method means this is supposed to be, the main function is supposed to be receiving an array of strings. In order to denote that, we use the syntax args inside this main method. If it was like a main of int x, means the main function would receive an integer value. But we specify string args inside this main function in order to denote that main method receives an array of strings, nothing else. Why we are receiving some array of strings, and what is the benefit of receiving some array of strings? What can we do with those strings? Such things would be seen later in the upcoming videos. Now you just should be familiar with the concept. The main function receives some array of strings. And next is System.out.println of hello world. In order to print something, we use the syntax System.out.println. Why we use the syntax? What is behind this syntax? There is another story behind this. What is? Again, I am taking the notepad. And in Java, there is a predefined class called print stream. Class print stream. This is a predefined class in Java, and inside this class there is a method called println. This println is used to print something in Java. Now my question is, how we can access the println method inside the class print stream? How we can access this method? The answer is very simple. As I told Ariel, first of all we have to create the object of the class, then by using the syntax object name dot method name. First of all we have to create the object by using the syntax print stream x is equal to new print stream. Now what can we do? X dot println. In this way we can create the object and we can access the method println. But fortunately we need not create any object of the class print stream because Java has a predefined object of the class print stream. The name of that predefined object is out. So how can we access the println using the out? Simply out dot println. In this way we can access this method. So out is, what is the predefined object of the class printStream, which we use to call the method println. But the out object is defined inside another class called system. So out is in system. Then what may be the entire syntax? It may be System.out.println. Okay, hope you guys understood with this concept. So this is the story behind System.out.println, which is used to print something in Java. Okay, this is the explanation of the first Java program. Once again, we specified a class myJava because in Java there should be at least one class, and there should be at least one method, that is a main method. We are writing main method inside this myJava class. Main method is public static void main of string args. Why this is? Because public is here in order to make the main method visible to the entire program, and anywhere in the program we can access the main method. Static is here because without the help of the class without the help of the object of the class myJava, we are going to access the main method. So without the help of this object we have to access the main method, so we specify static here. Void is here because main function is no longer able to return any value. String args means main method receives an array of string. System.out.println is the command used to print something, so the output would be hello world. Now in the next video I would be explaining about how we can write, compile and run this first Java program. I will be explaining in next video. Till then, goodbye, and if you like what you see, please comment, like and subscribe. Till then, bye.